Welcome back, everyone. You may be getting into this random issue and you may be freaking out where it says this Apple ID has not been used in the iTunes store, so on and so forth. Now, this happens every once in a while. I made a video last year explaining the same thing, and it's a very easy way to fix it. As you can tell right here, there's a little cancel button and there's a review button. Basically, what you want to do, if this comes up, you want to click the review button. It's going to tell you a couple different things that's going to come up, and all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. Typically, it just requires you to either add a payment method or requires you to add a shipping address or something like that, random things like that. All you have to do is go ahead and fill that out, and that's really all you have to do. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work or you're afraid of doing that, really that's the only thing you can do, that's the only option. However, you can also kind of make a little workaround, which is by going into your settings panel right here. You want to go ahead and click on your name, which is on the top corner right here. And if for some reason you don't see that review button, or for some reason it just says cancel, or for some reason you can't tap review, you can manually input that data by going into this panel. You want to click payment and shipping, which is right here. And at this point, you're going to come into this panel. Now, it's going to show some personal information. All you want to do is add a payment method, and you want to add a shipping address right here too. So if you don't have the opportunity of doing that via the App Store, you can do it via this method, and it gives you the same exact output. So all you want to do is go ahead and add a payment method, or I don't even think you need to add one. I think you just need to go and just look through it. You may not even have to add a shipping address. You just need to come here, look through those panels, and then you may be in a good situation. You may not have to freak out about it anymore. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work, another thing you can try doing is making your way back into the settings. You want to click on General. You want to click on Software Update, which is not that one, it's this one. And you just want to update your specific iPhone. A majority of the time, this may end up being the issue, and all you had to do was just update your device, and that's really pretty much it. It's still not a guarantee, but it's another thing you can do to pretty much fix this issue. Ultimately, if none of those things are working and you restarted your phone and that's still not working, you may have to go ahead and sign out of iCloud and sign back into it. So what this looks like is you click on your name back up here, you go ahead and scroll down until you see sign out, which is right here. So you want to go and click sign out. It's going to sign you out of iCloud. So literally everything, it's not going to delete everything from your phone, but anything that's associated with your iCloud account, it's going to go ahead and be removed. So keep that in mind. I'd recommend doing an iPhone backup before you do this, just in case something happens. But then when you're ready, you can go in and click sign out of iCloud just right here. Maybe if you go ahead and sign out of the store, maybe you can still access it. I've never seen that panel before, but you can try sign out of store first. That seems like a basic one. Once you sign out, you can go and open up your App Store, try downloading an app. It's probably going to tell you to type in your actual Apple ID, and from there you should be good to go for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.